Write down today's date, 16.11.21, Tuesday. Classwork here. Exercise D, tick the correct options to complete these sentences. The first one is Preeti will clean her table in the evening. In is the correct option. Next one is for Sonika here. The bag is dash the table.
The bag is under the table.
Yes, the picture is given here. So you can see the picture and judge. The correct answer is under. The bag is under the table. So put a tick mark on under. Devangi, read out next sentence.
Yes, ma'am. The mouse has been running around for a while.
Correct answer. Around is the correct answer. Next, Shubhi, read out next sentence.
The bus leaves at 4:40 p.m.
At 4 p.m. Yes, correct answer. With time, with exact time period, we use at preposition. Correct. Ishita, next one.
Simran was standing between the lamppost.
Between the lamppost. Here we are talking about only lamp. So how she can stand between the lamppost? Here we are not talking about two lampposts, dear.
Simran was standing next to the lamppost.
Yes, next to the lamppost. Unnati, next one. Soham is dash Simi's house.
Soman is on Simi's house.
At Simi's house, not on Simi's house. Correct. Rishika, next sentence. Number 8. Rishika, read out number 8.
Rohit has been learning Korean for for 3 years.
For 3 years, not in 3 years. 4 is the correct answer. Next, Pranav Garg, 9th one. Read out 9th one.
The correct
The concert.
from
From. The next one is?
till
No, from to. The concert lasted from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Okay. Sabhya, last one.
Yes, ma'am. He jumped dash the horse. Ma'am, off.
Off. Very good. Correct answer. Complete this, everyone. The 7th answer is Saurabh's birthday is on the 30th of July, because here date is given. So with date, we use on preposition. Okay, now it's complete. Done? You all have done this? Exercise E, complete these sentences with the correct prepositions. Prateek lives in Ahmedabad with his family. Next one. Next one is for, as I was walking dash the street, I saw a lady with a blue bag. So here the answer is down. I have done this for you. Down. Here you will write down. As I was walking down the street, I saw a lady with a blue bag. Next you will solve. You will tell me the answer next one. Devanshi, read out next one, third sentence.
My house has beautiful garden.
Beautiful garden, dash it. Which preposition you will use? In, on, at, under, above, below.
My house beautiful.
Others, please, those who know the answer, write the answer in the chat box if you know the answer. Arnav Verma, correct answer. Arnav Verma has written the correct answer in the chat box. Aradhya, correct answer. Shubhi, correct answer. Khyati, correct answer. Khyati, unmute
I'm
yourself and
in.
tell. Yes, in is the correct answer. In it, correct. Khyati, read out. Yeah, Khyati, read out next one.
Mitchell sailed the dash the river dash a small boat.
So Michelle sailed dash the river dash a small boat.
Sailed.
Michelle sailed dash the river. Sailed means moving on water.
Ma'am, on the river.
Okay, you are saying on the river. Then next one is
Sailed on the river.
dash a small boat. On the small
Ma'am.
boat, in the small boat.
Ma'am, in a small boat.
In the small boat. Okay, so in is the correct answer, but on the river is not the correct answer. Can any one of you tell me? Michelle sailed dash the river in a small boat. I want the answer here. Sailed, after sailed, which preposition will use? Across the river. Very nice, Devangi. Correct answer. We can write across the river or down the river. Both are correct. Michelle sailed across the river. Across means moving from one side to another side. So we can write here across and in a small boat. Write
Ma'am,
down. Yes, you can mute yourself. Across and in. Maulik, read out next one, number 5.
you should throw rubbish out of the window.
You should not throw rubbish out of the window. Correct. Out is the correct answer. Mute yourself. Arnav Verma, number 6.
Put the book on top of the others.
Correct. Correct answer. Next is for Sabhya. Sabhya, number 7.
Yes, ma'am. Jim won a prize dash the school sports. In
No, not in. Better write the sentence number also, that which answer you are giving me, number 6 or number 7 also. Those who know the answer, please write in the chat box. No, think, Sabhya, think. Jim won a prize dash the school sports.
ma'am, at
Yes, at is the correct answer. Harshika, you have given the correct answer. Harshika has also given the correct answer in the chat box. At is the correct answer. At the school sports. Okay. Mute yourself now. Next, Harshika, number 8. Read out number 8.
Yes, ma'am. The train leaves dash 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Ma'am, the train leaves at 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yes, with time we use at preposition at 4 p.m. With exact time period, we use at preposition. Next one is for Aradhya. Number 9.
The man dash the classroom is our English teacher. The man in the classroom is our English teacher.
Correct answer. Devangi, last one.
Yes, ma'am. We are going dash town this afternoon. Ma'am, we are going in town this afternoon.
No, when we are going towards something, towards a destination, when we have to reach at which is our final destination, then which preposition we use? We are going. Others, please write answer. Aradhya correct. Harshika correct. Correct answer. Harshika, Arnavama. Harshika has given the correct answer. Arnavama correct. Harshika correct. Aradhya correct. Shubhi no. Sarthak no.
Yes, ma'am. दिए गए क्रियाविशेषण शब्दों का वाक्य
So the correct answer is, who will tell me the correct answer from here? Sarthak Singh, unmute yourself. We are going dash.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going dash this afternoon.
Ma'am,
Your voice is breaking, beta. Unnati, correct answer.
my voice is breaking.
Yes, what is the correct answer, beta? We are going.
At.
No, 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 no at. Unnati, can you tell us the answer?
We are going to town this afternoon.
Yes, 2 is the correct answer. To complete this exercise, everyone, 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the.
Can I
Yes.
mute myself?
Yes, beta.